So I'm going to show you guys how we do a ramp up to a Schluter metal strip. This one is a little over 1/2 inch because we've got some double stick carpet going down. I have my notch trowel right here. So I just measured took the thickness of my pad and my carpet, and that's what I notched this out to, so that the rest of what I need is going to fill with patch, and that'll bring the carpet flush to the top of the Schluter. Kind of already dumped out my patch. You want to get as much patch to the top as you can so that you can get a nice flow. I like to put a little bit of extra just so I don't have to go back over it more than once. I take my notch and I follow right along the edge of that metal. Straight up and down. And I'll go and get my extra patch. And this little ridge, I'm actually gonna leave there, this little ridge right here, because now I know that that's how much I need to fill when I do my second coat. So this first initial coat is to get the height that you need, and then my second coat will be my finish coat, and that's to fill any other voids so that it's a gradual ramp and not a sudden ramp. Following up my